In this video, I will show how to create this simple image slider in After Effects. I'll create a new composition and call it slider. I will leave the duration as is for now, which I can change later if required. Create a new solid. Call it BG for background and hit OK. I'll import my images. I have downloaded a champagne image from Pixabay and modified it on Photoshop to create 2 more variations. You could simply use 3 different images. Drag these images into the timeline. Hit S for scale and change the scale to 50%. I will lock the BG layer so it won't move. Now I will drag the images out and align them so that they will be equidistant and at the center. I will select the 2 bottles in the sides and change the scale to 30%, which will make those bottles look like they are behind the middle bottle. Select all the images and hit Shift V to bring the position parameter. Create keyframes for both scale and position. Now I will move the playhead to 1 second and I will copy these keyframes from layer 1 and paste it into layer 2. And keyframes from layer 2 to the layer 3. Again from layer 3 to layer 1. Select all the keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease. And when I hit play, bottle from left of the screen comes to the forefront and the bottle in the front goes to the right and the bottle on the right goes to the left. This brownish bottle is supposed to be behind the green bottle, so just move the layer down. Move the playhead 2 seconds, select all the layers and hit Alt close bracket to trim the layers to current playhead's position. Copy all the layers and move them to 2 seconds, hit U to see the keyframes. Copy these keyframes and paste it in the beginning of the layers. Move the playhead to the 3-second mark and do the same thing we did earlier. Copy the keyframes of one layer to the other. To make it easier, rename and change the color of the layer to match the images. Again move the screen bottle layer down. For the final time, copy and paste these 3 layers and move them to 4-second mark. Repeat the same process one last time. Now to make it a little more interesting, move the playhead to the middle of these keyframes. Select the 2 images which are in front. Select their anchor points and move them down. Click and hold this pen icon to see more options. Select Convert Vertex tool and click on the anchor points to create a curve. Repeat this process 2 more times for the remaining layers. Hit U to hide the keyframes. Finally, add motion blur to all the layers. If you think you learned something from this video and looking forward to more After Effects videos, please like and subscribe.